Come on.
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh.
It's good.
Let's go.
Lucky Charms Cheesecake Bars. You want to see how I made them? Let's go. Hello, OFT family. Today we are making the wheel challenge winner, which was Lucky Charms Cheesecake. So I'm going to put my little spin on it. I'm going to do Lucky Charms Cheesecake Bars. So the recipe that I found said to make the crust out of Lucky Charms cereal. I wanted to one up that a little bit. So I am using crushed vanilla Oreos, okay? Because to me, the dry cereal without the marshmallows and Lucky Charms doesn't have much of a flavor. So I'm using, this is 24 vanilla Oreos crushed, okay? Add that to my pan. And this one's a little big. Let's crush him a little bit more, okay? And then I have 5 tablespoons of melted butter. So I'm gonna pour that over and give that a swirl. Make sure it's all coated, guys. And then this is gonna go into a preheated 350-degree oven for about 8 minutes. And then once it bakes for 8 minutes, you're gonna let it cool a little bit, and then you're gonna work on the filling. Be back in a minute. All right, guys, we're gonna work on the filling. I've got 2 blocks of softened cream cheese, and to this, I'm going to add a half a cup of sugar. Half a cup of sugar, 2 large eggs, all right, we're going to give that a mix. Well, maybe. All right.
Well, looky there.
Well, looky there. Now it works. All right, so once you have your cream cheese, your eggs, and your sugar blended, you're going to add a tablespoon of regular old flour.
Good old AP flour?
Good old AP flour. 1 tablespoon of flour. And a half a teaspoon of regular old salt. And a half a teaspoon of vanilla. There we go. Give this a mixy mix. And then we're going to add in 6 ounces of melted white chocolate. Look at that. Let's give this a mix. All right, so now we wait for a cooled crust, and we will pour this into the cooled vanilla Oreo crust, and then we will bake it for about 40 minutes. All right, so our crust has cooked for about 8 minutes at 350. So I'm going to add the filling, and then this is going to go back in the oven at 350 for 40 minutes. And then once it comes out, it's going to chill a little bit, and then we're going to add a white chocolate ganache and then decorate it. So we will be back in a bit. All right, so our cheesecake bars have been cooling in the refrigerator for a few hours. So now I have a white chocolate ganache. So in this bowl is 6 ounces of melted white chocolate with 1 tablespoon of heavy cream.
Let's see that drizzle.
It's not really going to drizzle because it's kind of on the thicker side.
Boo.
Well, you're just going to spread it on. Hence the reason why I have an offset spatula in my hand. Ta-da! So you're just going to spread this all over. It's not... I think he's just programmed to just say, ooh, cheese, on the daily, folks, on the daily.
Those are cheesecake bars, man.
Well, they're cheesecake bars, yes, but this is not mozzarella.
Ooh.
So I went diving for Lucky Charms marshmallows. So we're just going to decorate the top. And these are like the rainbow versions. Oh, all right, there's no more room. There's no more marshmallows. Oh, don't give me that look. Plenty of marshmallows.
Have you tasted it yet?
No, I'm working on it.
Oh, okay.
All right. I'm going to taste it now. Ganache bite and all.
Ganache bite. Come on. Mm-hmm. Uh-huh.
It's good.
Let's go.
It's good.
Lucky Charms strikes again.
Yeah. There's Lucky Charms marshmallows on top. But seriously, folks,
It's got to be the crust of the cheesecake. It's got to be the star.
Oh, absolutely.
That crust that you did is awesome.
Absolutely.
It's no graham cracker crust, folks.
No, it's a vanilla Oreo crust.
Vanilla Oreo crust. Fire.
Seriously.